Developing academic language in ELLs. Cummings' research on conversational and academic language for English language learners shows that a large amount of ELL students are misplaced in special education classes. Students showed that they were fluent in conversational English, but they lacked academic English. Schools assume that these students lack cognitive skills because of writing. Cummings shows that there is more than one type of language proficiency. Bridging from conversational skills to academic skills requires effort from all these students and their teachers. Teachers can scaffold and sequence lessons so students can make steps to move to academic English. The difference in vocabulary that can be seen across the spectrum of ELL learners is large. Teachers may allow students to speak both English and their first language, use graphic organizers to teach individual words, teach context clues, relate to cognates, and use dictionaries to help acquire academic language. Teachers can also foster word consciousness by pointing out the differences between words in different languages or by using new words in a lesson to see if any of the students notice. Lexical density is measured through nouns, verbs, and adjectives and adverbs. Teachers can help students write more academically by using signal words and transition words. Posting a list of these words on the wall helps with visual. Research has shown sentence combining activities are helpful to improve student writing. Advanced ELL students can further refine their writing and can create academic style by nominalization. The main challenge for these students is writing in an academic style. They must learn the academic style for 3 different genres: personal, factual, and analytical. Each genre has a specific language feature that students would need to be taught. Assessing academic language. ELL students are assessed more than native English speakers. Students also typically score lower than native English speakers. There are ways that we can help students on standardized tests, such as tests could be translated for the students to their native language. There can also be more time to take the test and the use of bilingual dictionaries and having someone read the test aloud to them. The English proficiency standards give a baseline for English language learners' academic language proficiency. The first proficiency standard focuses on the social, intercultural, and instructional communication students need for school. The other 4 standards help connect language with primary content areas. Sample performance indicators show each academic standard by proficiency level, grade level, and the language domain. These samples give appropriate language functions and ways students can show their learning for the academic content. These indicators help make the same academic content available to all English language learners by modifying the language function and support for different English proficiency levels.